I am Tyler Sieve. I am a certified rigger. The rigger's job is to inspect the rigging, know the working capacity, and to properly attach it to the load. Here I will explain sling stress. Sling stress. Sling stress lowers the capacity of the rigging. Here we have a little example. The weight of the load is 7 tons. The height of the load to the shackle is 5 feet. The length of each strap is 10 feet. And we got 4 straps. So we're going to go weight of load times the length of the sling over the number of slings times the height to the shackle, which gives us W times L equal over N times H, which equals 7 times 10 over 4 times 5, which equals 70 over 20, which gives us 3.5 tons. Each sling must have a safe working load of at least 3.5 tons. Thank you.